know it's not at the very end.
No.
There was a
So it kind of comes up, and then it goes up, and then there's a little dip, and it's right there on the left of the dip. On the other side of Gaspe now, looking back at the Forillon National Park, all the way up the end of that peninsula. The end of that peninsula is the lighthouse we hiked to yesterday. This platform probably wasn't here. Oh, you can walk out there low tide. Look at that. Bonaventure on the south shore of the Gaspe. You can fly the drone here, but alas, there's an airport right over there, so I can't fly the drone. Bicycle. So this looks like a good spot for lunch. We just talked to a nice French couple, truly a French couple from the west coast of France near Brittany. We are crossing into New Brunswick. When it came to lighthouse photography or videography or dronography. And we got one here in New Brunswick, the Dalhousie Light. we're gonna go out there, which is the northernmost point in New Brunswick, but it's fenced off. Looks like it's an old industrial site. They don't let anybody out there, next to a little fishing pier. And Peggy just gave someone permission to boondock here.
Did you record that?
So the change of plans, a little bit ahead of ourselves. The place we were going to camp had a lighthouse that was dilapidated, so decided not to stay there and moved into New Brunswick, and this is our accommodation for the night. Pretty good view. Pretty good view indeed. Accommodation in here. Quite adequate.
Across the bay from where we were
That's right. Yeah, almost exactly across the bay from where we thought we were going to stay.